In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform custom sort in Google Sheets. If you've ever tried to organize categories like clothing sizes or task statuses, you've probably noticed that a normal alphabetical sort doesn't help. For example, large jumps ahead of small, which isn't the logical order we want. To fix that, we'll tell Google Sheets exactly which items come first, second, third, and so on, so your table reflects real-world priority rather than the alphabet. First, let's look at the formula approach, which is flexible and updates automatically. We're going to use the sort and match functions together. Match assigns a rank to each item based on a custom list you provide, and sort uses that rank to order the rows. Inside the curly brackets, you simply type your items in the exact order you want them to appear. For example, if your size column contains small, medium, and large, your custom list would be small, medium, large. In that exact sequence. With this method, Google Sheets ignores alphabetical order and follows your list instead. Here's how it comes together conceptually. Imagine your sizes are in column A and the rest of your data is to the right. You create a formula that sorts the entire range by a helper value returned from match. In plain English, you're saying, sort these rows by the position of each size within my custom list. The match function looks at each cell in the size column, finds where it appears inside the curly brace list, and returns a number, 1 for the first item, 2 for the second, and so on. Then, sort arranges the rows using that number. The key is to list your categories in the curly braces exactly as they appear in your data. Spelling, spacing, and capitalization should match to ensure every item is recognized. If you prefer not to use a formula, there's a simple no-code method. Add a new column called Priority. Assign a number to each category, 1 for small, 2 for medium, 3 for large, and fill those numbers down. Then sort your table by the priority column in ascending order. This gives you a rock-solid, repeatable sort that anyone on your team can understand at a glance. It's especially handy when you want a quick manual setup or when teammates aren't comfortable editing formulas. That's it. 2 reliable ways to take control of your data and sort it your way. Follow for more Google Sheets tips.